things have come along nicely.
All right, everybody. Let's show Wild E what this weather exhibit can do.
Crazy blaster for snow. Check.
Giant fan for wind. Check. Sprinkler for rain. Check. La-da-dum, la-da-dum. Time to make the sunrise. Oh boy. Phew, it's hot in here. I'm sweating like a pig.
Hang on, team. I got this. No weather report could have seen that coming.
So sorry about that.
It's okay, Wiley. What happened?
Admittedly, I am bothered by the Roadrunner's beep beeps.
Huh. Well, if the beeping bothers you, maybe we can help.
No need. I have it all under control. My museum! No! Make the beeping stop! My museum, my dignity, my sanity. No matter what I do, I can't keep the Roadrunner's beeps away. I can't possibly finish my museum.
Let's think. The Roadrunner's gonna beep no matter what, right?
What if you invented something to block the sound of the beeps?
Corky, you're a genius!
Oh, shucks.
Behold, the Noise Canceller 1000! Play Sounds of the Desert.
Just like we practiced.
I couldn't hear a thing. Thank you, my genius friends.